Welcome. In this video I will show you how to mirror the screen to a TV using SmartView on Samsung Galaxy A57. First of all, you have to make sure that your TV supports either Miracast or SmartView or screen mirroring features, and then swipe down the control center on your Samsung. Then check whether your Samsung smartphone and your TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Make sure to keep them close together. And after making sure of that, you're gonna have to scroll a bit down through the quick settings menu until you find the SmartView. Let the SmartView detect your TV. It's gonna take a while. And once you see your TV on the list, just tap on it and the screen mirroring will begin. If you don't see your TV, the only thing you can do is tap the three dot icon right here, go to settings and open labs and enable Chromecast support. Then return to the TV search and maybe this will help your smartphone find your TV. If not, then most probably your devices are incompatible or you should change the band of your Wi-Fi. So the band of the Wi-Fi is the frequency basically. So if you, for example, are connected to the 5G network, you can try connecting to 2.4G instead and try using it to connect to your TV. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.